Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore previous versions of your files in Google Drive. This feature is incredibly helpful when you accidentally delete information, overwrite a section, or simply want to compare an older draft with your current one. Once you know where to find version history, restoring your work becomes quick and stress-free. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and make sure you are logged into your Google account. From your main Drive screen, take a moment to locate the file you want to restore. This can be a document, spreadsheet, presentation, or any file that supports version tracking. When you find your file, right-click on it. A menu will open with several options. Move your cursor to File Information, and a smaller side menu will appear. From there, select Manage Versions. This is the section where Google Drive keeps a record of your previous file updates. A new window will open showing a list of older versions. Google Drive automatically saves these when major changes happen, so you always have something to fall back on. Each version includes the date and time it was created, making it easy to pick the one you need. To restore a version, click the three dots next to it. Choose Download to save that version to your computer. This is useful because it lets you review the content before replacing your current file on Drive. After the download finishes, return to your main Drive screen. Now, you'll upload that older version back into Google Drive. Click the New button at the top left, then select File Upload, find the version you downloaded, and upload it. You can overwrite the original file or keep it as a separate copy if you want to compare them later. And that's it. You've successfully restored an older version of your file. This is a great way to undo mistakes, recover deleted content, or bring back earlier drafts without losing your current work. Google Drive's version system acts like a safety net, giving you confidence when editing important files. To stay organized, consider naming your files clearly and keeping them in well-structured folders. It makes version recovery faster and helps you avoid confusion later on. You can also mark certain versions to be kept forever, which is helpful for documents that evolve over time but still need their original drafts preserved. Thanks for watching this quick guide. I hope it made restoring previous versions in Google Drive clear and easy. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials. Have a great day,